Hi students, in this video we are going to discuss some important results in first chapter chemistry solid state. So the first point, solids have definite mass, volume and shape due to the fixed positions of their constituent particles. Second point, amorphous and crystalline are two types of solids. Third point, on the basis of interaction between constituent particles, crystalline solids are divided into four categories. First is ionic, second is molecular, third is metallic, and fourth is covalent solids. Fourth point, the three-dimensional arrangement of constituents or points in a crystalline solid is called crystal solids. Fifth point, the smallest repeating pattern of the crystal lattice is known as unit cell. A unit cell is characterized by six parameters: edges ABC and angles alpha, beta, and gamma. The sixth point, number of lattice points or atoms in simple cubic unit cell is 1, face centered is 4, and body centered is 2. A tetrahedral void is formed when spheres are tetrahedrally arranged in space, while octahedral void is formed by their octahedral arrangement. The eighth point, coordination number is the number of neighboring atoms for an atom in a crystal. Ninth point, or the continuation of eighth point, coordination number of trigonal planar is 3, tetrahedral is 4, octahedral is 6, and body centered is 8. Now the ninth point, atomic radii is related to edge length as follows. We have R, that is radius is A by 2 for simple cubic, and radius is root 3 by 4 into A for body center, and radius equal to A by 2 into root 2 for face center. Tenth point, density, that is small letter d, of a unit cell can be calculated as, so density equal to Z into M by A cube into N suffix A. Here Z is number of atoms per unit cell, M is atomic mass or molecular mass, and A is edge length, and N suffix A is Avogadro's number. 11th point, packing efficiency is the percentage of total space filled by the particles. 12th point, packing efficiency for HCP and CCP structure 74%, body centered 68%, simple cubic lattice 54.4%. 13th point, imperfections in solids are electronic or point defects. 14th point, semiconductors are of two types, N type and P type. N type semiconductors are formed by adding small amounts of elements of group 15 to the pure elements of group 14, such as Si and Ge. And p-type semiconductors are formed by adding small amounts of elements of group 13 to the pure elements of group 14. Next, the 17th point, paramagnetic substances show magnetic behavior only under the influence of the applied magnetic field. Ferromagnetic substances exhibit magnetism even when applied magnetic field is removed, and antiferromagnetic substances have no magnetic moment since the electronic spins mutually cancel under the influence of external magnetic field. Ferrimagnetic substance exhibit some magnetic character due to the alignment of the electron spins in parallel and anti-parallel direction in unequal numbers. So these are the few important points in this particular chapter that helps for you to revise or to solve the book back exercise questions. So in the next video, we will try to discuss the questions from in-text questions as well as the book back questions. So if you have any doubt, please post it in the comment section. Thank you.